Good morning from Beatrice. It's Tuesday and I have a day off, so I thought that I would give you guys a little tour. It'll be short, but I thought we'll let you guys take a sneak peek inside Beatrice because her interior is all finished now. The exterior, we just parked her in her permanent spot, well, unless I use her for camping, but we are going to put gravel down and do some things to the outside, get a white picket fence and stuff to go around her. But for now, this is how she's gonna look until we get her totally done. So I'm just going to approach her. This chair Megan brought home from the place that she works in Elkhart Lake. So I painted it up and she's gonna sit outside. I'll probably get a nice big basket of flowers to put on her. We've got old vintage 7-Up aluminum cooler, which we had sitting by our front door for quite a few years. So I stole her from the front door. And Rick painted the wheels this cool color to match the outside, new rims, everything. So come on in. So this is her view from the front door. I used some chalkboard paint and I painted the inside of the door so I could scribble and have fun with it. Right now I just kind of put a little welcome on, no big deal. Zoe's gonna join us on the tour. I got a cute little front rug. We put this cool laminate gray flooring in, so I really like that. But here's my shelf. As you can see, I love having that shelf there. I got, all kinds of favorite things there and stuff. So yeah, so you get the view inside my table, the shelf above, my workspace. We'll just go inside here. Yeah, I got all kinds of, those are my 2 soul collage cards that I made with my workshop with Barb Teckle. Yeah, I did that a while ago. That's, if you ever have a chance to do soul collaging, go do it because it's some cool insight. But anyway, here is my shelf. Yeah, prize pictures there of my monograph and the day that I got it and him actually signing my arm. I got cool storage that I got as a gift. It's a great place to store books. I have my string of Eiffel Tower lights that my friend Becky got me a few years ago for Christmas. So those, let me put those on. I had them in my closet the whole time, where my closet was my safe haven. Now I have Beatrice as my safe haven. So my table area, you see I already have been working out there, but I took a few, let me see if I can move this. I took a few of my favorite pictures from travels along the way, and I had them made into a big poster, and that is my tabletop. There's probably about 10 coats of, well, a couple coats of Mod Podge and then about 10 coats of polyurethane on the top. So Rick made me the table because the table that was in here was gone. There was no table. So that's my working space. My cute little pillow that Barb had gifted to me. And my curtains, those I sewed myself. I got the fabric at I think Joann Fabrics, and it was a last on a bolt, so I took the whole bolt, and I had just enough with a little bit to spare. So you can see my Shannon Winter original that she made for me, proudly displayed in the prominent place. So this, I'm standing by the front door, so this is what it looks like. So we took the counter, Rick made, everything is remade in here because she was totally stripped down. So he made a cabinet which now houses my sink. So the sink is just going to be used when we go camping. I'll haul water inside there and it'll drain out. It's like just something. We decided not to put the stovetop back in because when I go camping, I have a 1-burner hot plate, and we do a lot of our cooking over the campfire. So why have the stove? So in its place, I have a nice little area. I have my turntable that's Bluetooth, so I can spin vinyl and hook it up to my phone and listen to all my YouTube and the new Sirius channel, YouTube channel. So I've been doing a lot of listening to that. And we hung some baskets on the walls just for stuff. I mean, I don't really have her stocked for camping right now. And this mirror I got at, I think it was Michael's. It was on clearance. So that like doubles for a mirror. So that's really, I mean, cool. I loved it. It's cool, it's functional. So yeah, I can't get it closed right now. Sorry. So then we took the shelf, okay, we made that, and then I have an open cabinet, which is pretty empty right now, but that'll be great storage. I cut off a shoe, behind the door shoe thing for stuff. We installed, this is a heater slash air conditioner. It does okay, but after further reading, window units probably cool better, and something off the ground higher up. I did sleep in here once, and I slept in the back bed, so it was fine because I had it on me all night, and it was probably one of the hottest days of the year, or nights of the year I should say. But it's doing a pretty good job. I come out here in the morning, I turn it on, and then it's pretty cool when I come in and I want to work. Zoe is like looking. So I took shower curtains, and I bought 2 fabric shower curtains, and I modified them and hung them in the back so that I have like a privacy, and actually more for looks than anything. So I got that hanging, and then the back bed area. So yeah, we got these lights, these hanging lights using the old-fashioned Westinghouse bulbs for $6 clearance at Menards. So we got 2 of them, and my idea was I was going to have lights that came out from the walls for reading, but we saw those and could not pass up the $6 price point, so we got them instead, and actually they look really cool. So I got my back bed area. I'm a huge fan of pillows, so yeah, always pillows. I got a little lavender sachet that I got from my friend Catherine's booth at the Kohler Holiday Market, sitting back there. So yeah, so Megan painted the U2 thing for me last Christmas and gave it to me, so it's proudly hanging. My European travel partner Renee bought for me when we went to Paris 2 years ago, so that's hanging there. Let's see. So I got my other light, my window, and of course probably my biggest prized possession is my U2 Joshua Tree Soldier Field banner that is signed by Edge, Bono, and Adam's signature on the bottom, which I got signed during the Innocence and Experience tour in Chicago this past May. So that is like my prized possession. I love it, and it works perfectly in this corner. So I'm sitting now on my bed, which pulls out all the way and rests on the two ledges here. So it's actually like a double bed. So two people could sleep back here. Yeah, so actually she sleeps three because then the table goes down. You see Zoe takes her place. So yeah, that's my Beatrice. So I'll sit down so we can get a total view of the front. This tabletop, so Rick made a plywood top, and then we bought a sheet of laminate from Home Depot and we glued it on, and actually it turned out really cool. That was kind of a risky thing because you don't have much time to secure it. So so that was interesting. What was really was the corner here, this piece, this strip, all the way around to get it around the corners. That was pretty interesting to do this. So I have my logo decal that I just had made. So that's gonna go in the back outside. So everybody knows who I am. But yeah, I had some wonderful friends, family gift me things through this. It's been, and I picked up a lot of things. I've got like this nice little refrigerator right now, just have water, but yeah, it's nice to have. So the only thing I don't have is a bathroom, but that's okay because the house is like right there. So this is my tour of Beatrice, and I hope you enjoyed it. I know I am loving having a space to myself, although I have to say a lot of work. I mean, I have to credit my husband Rick because he honestly spent countless hours and redid things over and over and over again till it was just right. So he yeah, he spent a lot of time, and actually, you know, he is retired from a construction job, so if he was working full-time plus running two businesses, there was no way this was going to happen because it's a lot of work. And doing this compared to building a stick building, which we were going to do originally, yeah, is way different. I mean, my suggestion to anybody who's thinking about buying and totally redoing a vintage camper like this is patience, because it's not like building a stick building. Everything is unique and different, and if you followed my blog, on LoriLovesParis.com, you'll see from beginning to, well, I haven't posted an ending post, but yeah, it's a lot of work. So, but really so worth it. I mean, I just love this. I love the idea that I can hook her up and go camping too, because that's what life is all about, is to just go ahead and live your dreams. As a traveler, I love to go places, and I love camping. I really, really do. And now I have a spot that I can use. So I want to say thanks everybody for viewing. Please share. Please go to my blog, LoriLovesParis.com. Subscribe, because I'm always updating. And go to my Facebook page, Oh the Places I Go, Travel, Books, Life, and like my page. My Twitter is LoriLovesParis.com. My Pinterest is LoriLovesParis. Yeah, and you can kind of see the Paris theme. So yeah, Paris is my place. So thanks for watching, everybody. Goodbye, and tell everybody, share, like, whatever. Thanks for viewing. Bye, everybody.